Hello, everybody, and this is Make Learning Chinese Easy. And today we are going to learn how to do housework in Chinese. 家务劳动. Now here we go. 艾丽 are you doing housework? 艾丽，你在做家务吗？艾丽，你在做家务吗？家务 means housework. Yes, I could help my dad and mom do something. 是的，我能帮爸爸妈妈做点事。是的，我能帮爸爸妈妈做点事。What do you often do? 经常做些什么呢？经常做些什么呢？ Wash the dishes, clean the floor, clean the table. What do you often do? 洗碗、扫地、抹桌子。你在家做些什么呢？ I often wash my socks. 我常自己洗袜子。Now here, 洗碗 wash dishes, 扫地 clean the floor, 抹桌子 clean the table. 洗碗、扫地、抹桌子。Okay, everybody, this is today's lesson. Now we are going to make more practice to practice this conversation. And now, here we go. 艾丽，你在家做家务吗？
是的，我能帮爸爸妈妈做点事。
经常做些什么呢？
洗碗、扫地、抹桌子。你在家做些什么呢？
我常自己洗袜子。Okay, this is today's lesson. Now follow me. I will teach you how to speak Chinese in the easiest and fastest way. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.